So the first step is the free consult. Myself or Bryce will book you with Dr. Noon for a free 15-minute consult call where you can talk about your symptoms, treatment goals, what you're experiencing, and any questions you might have for us. Step 2 will be a lab panel, or if you have any recent lab panels in the last 6 months, we're happy to use those. But we offer 2 lab panels and you can choose based on what you're looking for. Step 3, Dr. Noon reviews and creates a personal plan for you based on your guys' discussion. Step 4, medication is shipped 2-day priority to your doorstep. Step 5, we'll have check-ins at week 6 and 12. And depending on the treatment, we'll have specific follow-up labs for this to see if we're trying to achieve is we're getting closer to the goal. Step 6 is we'll adjust the protocol as needed. So if you're feeling off, or you kind of want to play with maybe an increase or decrease in dosage or increase or decrease in frequency, we'll adjust the protocol. And in the second phase of treatment, we can see whether that was more or less successful and tailor the treatment from there.